And now the other super cool car here. 1980 Lincoln Mark VI. Yeah. So, let's just start at the front here. I adore this body style. I have a lens for this. I'm not sure how well it'll play nice because this is loose. I'm not sure why, but that will have to be re-engineered. That will need to be epoxied. I mean, whoever is under here made a bit of a mess of things, but wow. Yeah, these. I mean, I'm not super concerned with this. If it is, typical car that wasn't really the best taken care of. But the thing what I find really cool about this, so you know what I said about these cars having problems with the door bottoms, and most of the time they do, but not always. So let's play the story of. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, this has been bondoed. Look at this. Or it might be or just bad paint prep. I mean, I'm not going to pull every single piece of trim off here today. Quarter panel. Yeah, not a good sign. But oh, that's cool. I love these interior parts. Love it. But this one even at the door bottom. So, like all this shit does, this is the problem with these door bottoms. And the trim. Although, this one, it didn't get the lower door bottom, it got the mid trim. But, it's not, like it's solid, it's just the paint's really shitty. It wasn't prepped properly, so all this would have to come out. But, you want to talk about door bottom rust that I didn't think was possible? Like, look at this. This is bad. This is bad. I mean, they just, they bondoed, and they kept this thing here. So I would say this door is very unhappy. I would dare say this door is extremely unhappy. I want to pull it. Sorry, ADHD. But, yeah, it's a digital dash car, and it works. Now, obviously, there's no battery in it, so I can't prove it to you. Glove box. This is probably locked. I'm not going to fuck with it. SIG series. Now, interestingly, this is a SIG series, but I don't believe this has the... This doesn't look like pillow top. Oh, wow, these are stiff as shit, dude. Oh, yeah. These ain't been touched in a while. Look at that. So then this steering column... Oh, because somebody fucked up with the tilt wheel. Hold on. So I want to go... Hold on. How do I do this? Can I even get to this side? Well, let's find out. Going to be here for a little while more yet. This door needs service. You should not hear any squeaking at all. It should just be open and shut, nice and easy, no fuss at all. Good. Well, not good. So, much like my 84 town car, same shit, different day. Inner bumper is completely this is fucked. This is, I would say at least $1,500 to $2,000. Probably a little more because you gotta, probably closer to $2,000 just because those custom cutouts for the reverse lights. Whatever. I don't, especially around here, you're not gonna find a large bumper Panther of any variety with an intact inner bumper. It's not so budget for that to be replaced. And by that I mean fabricated. And then same story here. Wheel arch, not wheel arch, rear quarter panel. This has been bondoed. Not happy. Not happy at all. Whatever. And then, like I suspected, there's... They always get it around here. And behind the trim here, and behind the trim here. Now, I'm not going to go and dig into this too much here, but, look at this. Oh, look at how nasty that is. Oh, yeah, this outer bumper's... I thought this outer bumper wasn't that bad until I got to here, and I'm like, This needs to be... This is a $3,000 job. Because it's going to need the inner and the outer. Now, obviously, not entirely unexpected. I know how these cars tend to be. It is what it is. Holy motherfuck, I am a little heavy for that rear bumper support, aren't I? That's okay, I'll be out of its way soon. So, wow. Yeah. So, kind of the same story here. These, I like the taillights on these, but these have to be sealed properly, and they weren't. So you trap a little bit of water there. Not bad. Turbine wheels. But I'm just amazed that it doesn't have the pillow top seats in the front. I don't think I've ever seen that before. I'm not going to get a ton on this door, but I'm going to get some, and I guarantee this is the same problem as the other one. Or at least some degree. Oh, good, that trims off. That's nice. Oh, yeah. You were bondoed. I can see it from here. This is... It's because the trim. If these cars either didn't come with this trim or the owners pulled them off at the first sign of things amiss, we wouldn't have a problem, but holy fucking shit, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Nice. Oh, this poor car. This poor car. Oh my jumping Jesus on a pogo stick. I guarantee our friend the Bondo Ninja did something back here. I mean, there's a... I'm not quite sure how to pull. Oh, it's a little push pin. Okay, well, I'm not gonna go crazy with this, but look at this. I'll close that properly. Oh, that's oh my God, look at this. They just caked the Bondo in here. Wow, yeah, whoever did this bodywork was a complete fucking hack. You should not be employed by anybody. Oh my God, that's so sad. No, I mean, notice that they spent several grand on getting things done to this car and quote unquote restoring it. This was not restored. This car had very bad body work done on it. Oh my God. Poor thing. Well, since we're here. This top's dead and about ready to come off. Nice thing is, as you'll see, I have access to the trim screws here. This, I want to say that it just pops off here and here. If it's anything like the Vicks and the Grand Marks, it should just go. But I don't know. I've never. This is my first. Ooh, why are you not closing? Hold on. So is it because? What are we hitting here? Wow. Really hard. Oof. I don't like doing that, but this door is probably out of alignment. I'd rather have the doors closed than open. But anyway, let's check out some more Bondo Ninja special on this thing. Yeah, like this. I'm expecting this rocker to be. I mean, oh my God, look at this. I can just tell. Feel the texture here. This car wasn't restored. They bondoed the wheel arch and the dog leg. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at this. What in the fuck? Look at this. You can see it, Mo. This is unacceptable. Is this the quality of work you should see on a flagship? And this is not the owner's fault. I am not blaming them for this. I think they, chose a really shitty subcontractor. Believe me, I've been there, and it sucks because they will fuck you any way they can. We're gonna keep going. Oh, I'm a little dirty here, but that's okay. Rocker panel. See, that might be a drain hole. I'm not. Oh, this poor thing. Now look at this. Oh, this is nice. Oh, just put a rag inside the frame rail. Oh, not a big deal to me. I always replace frames off everything. But oh, fuck, that is bad. Oh, Mo, come on. Come on. That's not nice. This is a Mark 6. This used to be a nice car. Oh. Let me just... Keypad, I doubt this works, so fuck it. Oh, that's interesting. This doesn't return. Which means the spring is not happy. That's alright. Oh, this poor car. Holy shit. Wow. There are a couple saving graces for it. Namely, digital dash. Oh. And, whoa, you can't, okay, this is super loose because here it is this, right? Just like my 89. Click. Click. Yeah, you can start it without the key. That's what you said. This is a problem, especially on the early cars, because people thought that they weren't sure how to operate the horn. It's not on the center. See, there's no squish here. It's at the end of the stalk. Not really the best example, but see, it clicks. And then we've got our... I'm not sure what the fuck was going on with our friend, the tilt wheel, but I like this view, though. God damn, this is nice. This is just like my 84 town car. Oh, yeah, this is awesome. Oh, this is cool. And now it's a shift linkage. A little sloppy. This is probably the worst box shift linkage I've ever felt. All right, let's make some engine sounds here. Yeah. I like this style more. It's loose though. I mean, the car is ancient. I'm not entirely surprised. My 84 has a similar but different issue to this. It's not as sloppy. Like, this is bad. This is like, this needs to be, this whole column's got to come apart and get rebuilt. Typical cracks. I don't know if this is an early car specific thing or not. I don't know. This, I like the style of wheel. I would pay a ton of money to have this restored, basically. Just fix it. But yeah, look at somebody was in here even. Oh, no, come on. You don't have to be ghetto with your fucking cars. Come on. Look at this. It's sad. This car wanted to be loved and wanted to just do the best it could, and it just, mice living in it. Remember what I said about the headliner or having access to the trim? Well, there you go. Shit, I will probably do that today, and just go and at least get all that off. Go from side to side here. Super easy. I don't even need to take out the dome light. How cool is that? Which makes me wonder how that even happened. No, that's probably what's left of the headliner. Maybe. Oh, this is part of the seatbelt, though. Oh, hold on. What is this? Oh, that's interesting. Oh, I see the... Okay, that's... Like, come on. It's just a bunch of little things that I can see why somebody just parked this thing. Because there is, in my opinion, no box Panther should ever be derbied or crushed. They should all be restored. So, pursuant to that, this is a big project. This needs more than my 84. Like, yes, okay, I have a dash pad. Okay, the 84's got some problems in the similar areas, but the 84 does not have as much Bondo. Like, it's got a problem with where the cowl and the pillar on the bottom. Oddly enough, most of the cars, they get it at the top and then later on the bottom. This one, I guarantee that whole area is not happy. And I can't even open the doors all the way because, yeah. So, and this is our window lock system, I believe. Wow. Yeah, and then, see, I like these. This is actually, I believe, is a two-piece set. This armrest is different from this. So this is custom work. A lot of this is just going to have to be replaced. I do like this. Need some paint, new finish, and everything. I've never seen a tilt wheel so fucked up in my life. So you go... I'm really disappointed that the quality of work that was done on the body in particular, like in the common areas where these cars have problems, like it just isn't. It's unacceptable, and this car deserves so much better. And she will get better. I am going to have to be booking indoor storage for this car. That's going to happen in late April. I'm not touching this thing before like the 20th. Poor thing. I do want to see why this tilt wheel's fucked up. So normally, to tilt the wheel, right, we go like this, right, and then. But then it doesn't. Yeah, I mean, it's loose. What this probably needs is just to be dismantled and retightened. And this is 40 years old. Oh, poor thing. Just a sad 1980 Mark VI with a 351. It's a 351 because it's got the specific accessory bracket and belt routing. I believe there's also a way to tell based on the VIN. Variable Venturi. 2-barrel carburetor. Oh, Lord help us. Holy oh my God, they were not kidding about the vacuum lines. Oh my God. Okay, yeah, that's convert to fuel injection and forget about it. Dude, you were not kidding about the Bondo on this thing. Holy fucking shit. Yeah? I wonder if this chair will support my weight. Alright, let's go across the trunk. Oh, I'm a fat ass, but I can still move in my old age. Woo! Oh, I don't have a name for this car yet. I mean, but we will. I've seen this on other Panthers, but this is the first time I've seen it on mine. A-pillar. Oh, ignore that. I didn't even fully pull this, but oh, dude, no, they even bondoed and they half-assed resealed this. This is unacceptable. This would have to come out anyway, but oh, dude, what do you say they did? What was the standard of work she claimed was done on this vehicle? This is fucked, dude. Well, this is structural. This is no bueno.
I don't think she actually knew what was being done specifically.
Nice.
Other than
oh no.
But if you've seen the pictures, it looked really nice.
I know. That's what whatever. Sight unseen, but
which at one point I can see. If the work was done well enough that it looked good at the time.
This is like, you can see it from here. I didn't even need to peel the stainless trim off, which isn't going back on anyway. I'd have to pull it, but Like if we hit this with a sandblaster, we're gonna get tetanus. Look at it's cracked. No, they bondoed this. No, the whole fucking thing. Oh my god! Because even down here,
Yeah.
that's $2,500.
Oh god.
Yep, that's what I mean. I did the same thing. I'm like, no, that can't be the whole thing. Like it's not. Old cars. Gotta love them.